In this lecture, we will consider the coefficients and their interpretation. I'll take a bit of a mathematical approach, but it should not be too hard to follow, no matter your background. First, what was the logit model? The logit model for the SAT admittance regression we created is log of pi divided by 1 minus pi equals minus 69.91 plus 0.042 times SAT. Pi here refers to the probability of an event occurring, while 1 minus pi to the probability of the event not occurring. The fraction of these two is a very popular concept, odds, as we explained earlier. All right, so from the regression summary, it seems that our model is basically log of the odds equals minus 69.91 plus 0.042 times SAT. Let's go through the process of interpreting this result. First, I'll take two SAT scores, SAT 1 and SAT 2. If we plug them in, we would get two equations, one for each of them. Log of odds 2 equals minus 69.91 plus 0.042 times SAT 2. Log of odds 1 equals minus 69.91 plus 0.042 times SAT 1. Now, let's create their difference. Log of odds 2 minus log of odds 1 equals 0.042 times SAT 2 minus SAT 1 in brackets. Looks much better, doesn't it? Now the difference between the logs is the log of the quotient of their arguments. Therefore, log of odds 2 divided by odds 1 equals 0.042 times SAT 2 minus SAT 1 in brackets. Okay, now let's take a difference in the SAT score of 1. So, SAT 2 minus SAT 1 equals 1. Log of odds 2 divided by odds 1 equals 0.042 times 1, or 0.042. To solve this equation, we must take the exponential of the two sides, as the exponential of log of x equals x by definition. In this way, we will simplify the expression further. In the end, we get odds 2 divided by odds 1 equals e to the power of 0.042, or 1.042. This can be rearranged to odds 2 is 104.2% of odds 1, or odds 2 is 4.2% higher than odds 1. Great! So, when the SAT score increases by 1, the odds of admittance increases by 4.2%. This formula we just derived is irrespective of the SAT score. It only takes into account the size of the difference. Therefore, we can derive the general rule. For a unit change in a variable, the change in the odds equals the exponential of the coefficient. That exactly is what provides us with a way to interpret the coefficients of a logistic regression. Good. But what about a difference in SAT scores of 10 points? We can use the same approach to find that. The log of odds 2 divided by odds 1 equals 0.042 times 10, or 0.42. Doing the math, we get that the odds increase by 52%. What about getting 100 points more on the SAT? You are in for 66 times higher odds. Incredible! These are the basics of coefficient interpretation. They are not super intuitive, but that's how it works. Thanks for watching.